Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. So I know the whole I followed such and such trend is over. I was like just thinking like, oh, it would be a cool video one day. And I thought, why not try to follow a makeup tutorial in another language without subtitles or anything? I haven't seen that before, so I'm sure somebody did it because I'm not like Little Miss Creative or anything. Let's just go ahead and hop right into this shit. So I've been trying to think of what language I should try to follow a tutorial in, and I feel like it should be something that's not close to English. I want it to be completely different so that I can't pick up on context clues. Like I want to just be able to follow like what they're doing and not be able to understand a single word the YouTuber is saying. I've taken a few years of French. I suck at it. I don't speak French, but I think I know enough that I could recognize words and pick up on context clues, so I feel like that would kind of be cheating. And then I feel like I shouldn't do Spanish because Spanish is pretty similar to French and English. I need to find a language that's like completely different. What is the most different language from English? That's like so poorly written. I don't know what that means. Here are our top 10 hardest but most rewarding languages to learn. That might be a good one. Mandarin, Arabic, Japanese, Hungarian, Korean, Finnish, Basque, and Navajo. I think we should go with one of those. Mandarin beauty guru. Okay, we are going to follow a tutorial by a girl named Weylie. I think I'm pronouncing that right. She does not speak Mandarin. Most of her videos, I believe, are in English, but the one that I found is in Cantonese.
咁嗰個咧就要等佢寄嚟咯。個 foundation 係非常之 full coverage 嘅，所以用少少咧，哇，咁就輕輕咁樣。
Okay, well she just used that first foundation as a concealer, so I already fucked up. My whole cheek is broken out, and she just put it on her breakout, so I guess it's close enough. Okay, so she's using a compressed powder foundation. Don't have a powder foundation, but I do have like this compressed, like kind of skin tone color powder, and it looks like she just put it around her eyes and like her nose and around her lips to set everything.
我真係好羨慕有啲人呢。條眉好粗嘅，又好黑嘅。而家用緊呢支咧就係 Anastasia 嘅 Brow Wiz 嘅顏色咧就係 Caramel。
I used to have that, but I ran out. I wanted to follow this tutorial exactly, but I don't have the shit. I've just been using a powder from this Lancome palette and the brush it came with.
呢一個位置咧，搽少少，跟住。
So it looks like she's just doing a very natural looking contour.
咧，我就中意點少少，就響個鼻呢度就求其咁樣撥兩撥啦，咁佢就有翻。
And then she just very lightly contoured her nose. Girl, you got a cute little nose. I got a big ass nose. I need more contour than that.
嘅 Fairy Flush Amazonian Clay 12-hour Blush， 佢叫 12-hour Blush 真係冇錯嘅。呢個搽咗之後咧。成日都喺度噶，下一步咧就用呢一個，佢咁大支用嚟 highlight 啦，咁就攞個 beauty blender。
I got so weird. I was like, oh my gosh, is she putting concealer on again? Like, I'm gonna fuck up all the powder I just put on. It's liquid highlighter. I have this one from Makeup Revolution.
就咁樣彈兩下。
It looked like concealer, but it might have been eyelid primer. I'm just gonna use concealer because I don't use eyelid primer, so I don't have any. I'm a trash makeup person.
係我同 Pixie 出嘅，我哋響2018年咧就 collab 過啦。呢個顏色叫做 Girl， 咁咧我就攞自己個手指啦撥上去。
Okay, so she just took like kind of it looked like a light shimmery color. I think it was kind of purpley. This is from the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. The color Silk Teddy is kind of a light neutral shimmery shade.
叫做 Heroin Makeup， 我個朋友介紹嘅，真係好好用啊！如果你啲眼睫毛好似我咁樣咧咁鬼短嘅話咧，點兩下。 好啦，咁話咁快咧，今日個妝咧就完成啦。
That is the finished makeup look. It's very natural. I think this is a really good makeup tutorial. It's very simple, to the point. It's a very natural look. I didn't even know what she was saying and I was able to follow along pretty well. I think it turned out really cute and I think it's a look that would look good on anybody. It's just very natural and it just kind of plays into your own natural features. Definitely go give Weylie a subscribe. Go give her a subscribe. That's not even a word. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you go and check out Weylie's video. I'll have it linked in the description. Go give her a subscribe and a like. And if you liked my video, please give me a subscribe and a like. And I'll see you guys in my next one.